Gearing up for your next adventure or getting ready to hit the highway? In today's video, we'll show you why the Nitto Ridge Grappler will give you confidence in your tires no matter the terrain. A tire that dominates the dirt and the pavement, the Nitto Ridge Grappler has a unique tread pattern that ensures your vehicle has all the traction it needs to get you wherever you need to go. Its unique tread pattern also provides a smoother, comfortable, and quieter driving experience, providing off-road capability and on-road refinement. The tread design features staggered shoulder blocks to ensure remarkable grip no matter the surface. It also boasts two distinct sidewall designs and lateral Z grooves oriented in a zigzag pattern that bites into edges, giving your vehicle the traction it needs and some added style. Nitto gives you a wide range of options based on your needs, offering a variety of options when it comes to load index, speed rating, and more. Get the perfect combination of off-road capability, on-road comfort, and stylish design with the Nitto Ridge Grappler Tires. To find out more and get a set for your truck, check out xdp.com today.